All right, so the next array of these dragon steel targets that we're going to play with is the set. And this comes in 12, 10, 8, 6, and 4. I believe they ship with the brackets, the straps, and all the hardware. And then you just go to your local hardware lumber store, grab a 2x4 and some 1-inch conduit, and you're set to go. The good thing about this is if you're heading to the deer lease for a weekend, you can throw this thing in your truck. Literally the 4 pieces of conduit compact down. It's almost nothing. Go right in the bed of the truck and put your gongs in a box or a milk crate, and you're ready to go set up when you get there. So zeroing your target in, you want to be confident in your shot, especially if you're hunting. You want to make sure you get a good clean shot. You can work your way all the way down from your 12-inch to the 4-inch target to ensure your shot group is good and tight. It's also great for plinking, for training. If you want to go from the ability to get your trigger work down to precision targets, start on the 12 and get increasingly harder. Make sure your students are focusing on their front sight and trigger press.